Welcome to the Happy Renter quote request form. I'm going to run through some of the alert and validation functionality to start with. Firstly, I'll just enter the name 1, and on blur we'll get an alert saying it must be at least 2 characters, the first one a letter. We'll just continue to test with a couple of numbers to make sure that the number isn't a problem. And then a number followed by letters. We've still got the error message. We need to have all letters. So we'll put in 1 letter. And we still have the error message because that must be more than 1 letter. When I type in 2, the error message is gone. Move on to the email next. So first one we'll put in will be 1A, because why not? And we get the alert message for email. Then we'll put in a @ just to try that out. We still get it because we need a space between the dots, so I'll put a space in. And now it's fixed, so even though it's a quite unlikely email address, it still works to specification of the task. Okay, so now we'll try a few number of days. We'll try -1, says must be greater than 1 day. We'll try 0, same, 1, same, 2, it works, and just for fun we'll try a special character which also doesn't work. Okay, so we'll put in 3 just for that. Okay, now there's no alert message on blur for this because you really can't get it wrong, but if you try and calculate without having a radio button selected, you'll get this alert message here. So you need to select a group. So now when I click calculate, it calculates, and we get a price of 150, which is 3 times 50, and if I add in a price waiver which adds on another $3 a day, so another $9, we'll make $159. Okay, great. Now the reset form should clear everything, and it does. And then I'll just show this one functionally, that if nothing is entered and then you click calculate, you don't want it to calculate and add all of the 0 null values to your object, so it puts up all alerts and won't let you progress to add the object. And we can test that by seeing that there's no object here after we've done the calculation. So now we'll put in a name, an email, a number of days. It'll all work, and as you do it on blur, everything disappears except for this one, which probably should, but it doesn't at the moment. Add an access waiver and calculate, and now you can see that it will calculate. And when I list, you'll see it does appear here. I'm just going to pause here. For this next section, I've pre-entered 4 different quote sets of data around the discount day barriers, so around 10 days and around 14 days, to show that the discounts on the excess waiver and on the car rental based costs are working. So I've entered them all 4, but I also wanted to demonstrate the functionality in the quote query form at the bottom here. So first I'm going to show all 4 quotes. There they are. The prices all checked out. I'll put it in my testing cases in the document. Now I'm going to do some testing on the other search functionality here. Firstly, I'll do a search with nothing entered. Brings up an alert saying please enter at least 1 character. Then I'll do a search on the filter, and then I'll get this please make a group selection. Now this isn't going to clear until I've made a group selection, but I'll now do a search by name. I'll search by Don here, search name, and there he is. Pistol quotes again. Let's try Emlyn. Correct. Okay, we'll do a false search, so Ben. Sorry, nothing found. Now we will do a filter by group. I've deleted the name because I haven't worked out a way to have this action delete the name. So group A filter, there's group A, and group B filter, there's group B. Okay, and that is that. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.